हामिद रजा साहब जो थे कौन सी पार्टी से थे? SIC से थे?
जी SIC से।
उन्होंने अपनी पार्टी के प्लेटफॉर्म से इलेक्शन क्यों नहीं कंटेस्ट किया? कोई ऐसा आपकी क्लाइंट है, आपको कुछ अंदर की बात पता होगी?
मैं जब मेरिट्स पे आऊंगा मैं वो जवाब दे दूं। मैं जरा सा आज एटलीस्ट मेंटेनेबिलिटी कंप्लीट कर लूं।
जो बात आप जवाब अवॉइड करना चाहते हैं वो कहते हैं मैं बाद में जवाब
नहीं, मैं नहीं अवॉइड करूंगा, मैं जवाब अवॉइड नहीं करूंगा। मैं जरा सा मेंटेनेब, क्योंकि आज कुछ खत्म हो जाए, मैं सिर्फ ये चाह रहा हूं, प्लीज प्लीज। सो एंड वो जब मैं पढ़ूंगा जजमेंट तो नजर आएगा शायद बहुत सारे ये जवाब अब रेलिवेंट नहीं है, शायद मेरा ख्याल है। The first thing is, and this is something which your lordships have asked again and again, as to what kind of relief can be granted in this review. Now, my lord, to me there are three categories of relief which can be granted. One, of course, is that the judgment can be set aside. The consequence of that would be that the appeals would be dismissed. The Peshawar High Court judgment as well as the ECP order will be upheld. That's the first thing which His Lordship Justice Aminuddin and His Lordship Justice Naeem Aghwan have done. The second thing is that the majority judgment can be substituted by one of the minority judgments. Now, there are, apart from the simplistic dismissal judgment of two of their lordships, there are two other substitute views, one by Justice Mandokhil and the other by Justice Yahya. So that's the second possibility which can happen in this review. The third possibility, of course, is, and which does happen a lot in review, is that the judgment is set aside and the appeals are revived for rehearing. So let me just cite judgments on this. The first judgment is 2025 SCMR 257. If your lordships may kindly see.
इलेक्शन एक्ट देखिए।
जी सर, 2025 SCMR 257।
इसमें हमने वापस भेजा है?
नहीं सर, इसमें जो माइनॉरिटी व्यू था वो अपहोल्ड किया। If your lordship will see 268 side marked L, एक लाइन ऊपर से पढ़ रहा हूं। For the same reasons as recorded in the minority judgment, we hold that the tribunal was not correct.
कहाँ से पढ़?
सर 268 में L के ऊपर वाली लाइन से पढ़ रहा हूं। For the same reasons as recorded in the minority judgment, we hold the tribunal was not correct and the High Court was correct in determining the receipts received by the petitioner for the lease of FLIC tapes containing computer software programs were not income from royalty and were business profits as claimed by the petitioner in the tax returns. And then therefore therefore we accept the present review, recall the majority judgment under review and dismiss the appeals of the respondent upholding the judgments of the High Court, which was the minority judgment. The second judgment, of course, on this is in which your Lord, more expressly it has been said, in which a number of your lordships were on the bench, PLD 2024 Supreme Court 1199.
जी citation क्या है?
Sir, PLD 2024 Supreme Court 1199. And if your lordships miss
Citation, please repeat.
जी sir, I'm sorry sir. PLD 2024 Supreme Court 1199, and your lordships may see the last page, 1222, para 46.
63 है
जी sir. थोड़ा सा वो होता है कि वही
You with the famous 63 age.
yes, and one of those cases where your lordship made a comeback, as they say.
So you want again that I should come back?
हो सकता है
Again?
as a backup option I may consider that sir. Therefore para 46, para 46 last page. Therefore, for all the aforesaid reason, the majority short order and the majority judgment are set aside as they are against the clear language and mandate of the Constitution and are also contrary to the decision of the larger benches of this court. The conclusions arrived at by the judges who were in the minority are sustained. These are the reasons for our short order dated 3rd November 2024, and one judgment in which the appeals are revived.
And then in that case, I and Justice Miakhil were.
जी बिल्कुल सर बिल्कुल. तो इन दोनों में सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिया गया है मेजॉरिटी को माइनॉरिटी व्यूज. नाउ वन ऑफ दोस केसेस इन विच both his lordship Justice Aminuddin and Justice Mazhar was up one on the bench, and Justice Mazhar has authored it, where the appeals are revived. 2023 SCMR 737.
2023 SCMR
737. If your lordship may see the last paragraph, para 9. जी सर. I had the pleasure of arguing before both your lordships, sir. Para 9, sir, last para. If your lordship
above discussion
जी sir, if your lordships have it, I'll read, sir.
740.
In the wake of the above, sorry sir.
Yeah, then
review allowed होगा. Review allowed.
Sir 7 जी sir, para 9 sir, last para है judgment का. In the wake of the above discussion, the order dated 4/9/2020 is reviewed. Accordingly, CRP number 35K of 2020 is allowed, and CPLA number so and so is restored to its original number, which shall be fixed for hearing before a 3-member bench for leave to appeal. So all 3 options are before your lordship.